Right. So, Tobin got back from Texas, so we're gonna go see him because I missed him, and so that's what we're doing right now. Okay, let's go.
Buddy! Oh, Gabo!
Hey guys.
Bro! So much. Let's embrace. Oh, Gabo, I missed you.
We can do it too! You guys!
Oh, man.
How was your Christmas, buddy?
Yeah.
It was weird.
Okay, now that we just walked in, we're leaving. Yay! Buddy, look, it's your size.
Oh, perfect.
And they have the straps, so you don't have to tie them.
Yeah.
We knock them all over. And then you just hear Ikea neck. Okay, now we're going to Ikea, which is where we wanted to go originally. But you know when you gotta check to see if any other things have it because it's more convenient instead of just driving to Denver?
Yeah.
Well, we did that, now we can go to Ikea.
Yes, we're allowed to.
Those people just turned around and stared at us for so long. Yeah. Oh. It's not even that bad. Thanks, buddy.
I was just gonna text you and say, are you here?
Okay, bro. The amount of times that we come to Chick-fil-A in our videos is like a lot.
Like last time.
Oh yeah.
You're here.
Sponsor us, Chick-fil-A.
Please.
It's like an Ikea pass, dude.
I don't think so.
It's not like Costco. No. Imagine we get up there. Hi, do you have your member? What? No. How do I sign up? Okay.
Here we are.
We're at Ikea.
Ikea.
This man one time came up to me in an alley and he had a knife and then he stabbed me and he's like, Ikea.
I just got it.
Okay, camera. You sit right there. Oh, dude. Is this how we get up?
Yeah, dude.
I've been to Ikea once.
Let's go.
Now we're totally at the airport.
Yes, I feel so airporty right now.
Let's make it the airport. All right, buddy. I'm so excited to get on this plane. Oh,
Dude, I wonder where those people are going.
probably Bolivia.
Jamaica.
Got our airplane tickets. Dude, look, couches.
I always wondered how they got those.
Cool house, buddy.
Yeah.
I see you left all the price tags on here just to flex on everybody.
I do want to take pictures.
House tour, bro.
Huh?
House tour.
Yes. See? Look.
MTV Cribs. Oh, Vino. This is a good couch.
Very good.
How much does it cost?
600.
No! It's affordable.
Yeah, and it's a futon, so it folds down onto the bed.
It does?
Yep.
I got it.
I'm going to. There's some
Let's
stuff
go
downstairs.
downstairs before we eat. But look at all the cool food, though.
I love the food here.
This is
Their
cool.
meatballs are legendary.
Okay, we don't have a couch yet.
You get like,
We kind of have to get Ikea food.
dude.
Okay, let's go get some Ikea food.
Let's go.
You've been good.
Yes.
Okay, buddy. You weren't even. Wait. Do you go through here to get there?
No.
I'm so confused.
Trying to remember, I was like, what?
Behind the brand stairs. Oh my god. I didn't see it, sorry. Yeah, there you go.
What can I get for you?
Alright, but
Oh, wow.
Take it to the bean back. You go on that side, you see with the little cream on it.
Okay, thank you.
Just want to add 4 more meatballs for $1?
Yeah. Good, alright. I did, yes.
Bada bing, bada boom. Time to eat food.
Food eating time.
Oh, I don't have silverware. So I got the salmon here, and it looks really yummy. And Isaac got lots of food. And he's over there somewhere. There he is, he's over there. And there's water, and we're gonna buy that couch, and I don't know if I've talked about that yet, but little, small, like a little bigger than this couch. And it's for my room. There he is.
I didn't know what you liked, so I got you everything.
Aw, wow. A fork and a spoon and a knife?
Yeah.
That's so nice. Let's try
this. On my Mac, buddy? Very good.
I want to try it. That is good. Carrot coins? I don't even like carrot coins. And they gave them to me. And it's Ikea. So it's like, why the heck not?
Yeah, I don't even like vegetables mostly. Well, I like broccoli.
Dude, I don't even eat normal food.
Yeah, but you know what? It's Ikea, so I eat normal food at Ikea.
But now I'm home.
I'm gonna be like dead lethargic.
And we're gonna have to get that whole couch in the car. But if it can fold down, maybe we'll turn it into a bed and lay it across.
And then drive. Why are you laying down?
I don't know how we're gonna fit that. I feel like if we put down the seats, right? My car's shaped like this. Like almost exactly like that, right? Like here's the roof, and this is the hatch. And then there's chairs right here. And if we put down these chairs, we have like that much room. And the couch is like the size of my hand. Like how I'm measuring it like this. Look, there's so much room. Yeah, let's go look at couches and look up dimensions for my car.
Okay.
And then we'll see if it'll fit, and then we can know.
Yeah, that's true. Okay. Let's do that.
That's the plan. Okay, buddy. This is where the real adventure begins. Because after we buy it, we have to get it in my car.
Yeah, that's the fun
My dad was like, "You think it's gonna fit?" Yeah.
38 pin.
38 pin 47. It didn't focus, but here we go.
This one.
Oh, don't do that. Point. I was like, aisle 38 or 30? Well, that's 32. Oh, buddy.
Sign 30.
Aisle sign right there. Oh, buddy.
I'm so excited.
Here we go. It's
done, buddy.
Wait.
Just scooch it.
Okay. You did that really well. Are you a professional?
Thank you.
Here we go.
Yeah. So you say the first one, and then I say the second one.
Yeah.
But don't plan on having a good time. Brad and Tillman find the couch.
Brad and Tillman find a couch.
Or Couch Hunters.
Yeah, Couch Hunters. HGTV, the new show. Wait, you go first. We could try and go at the same time.
That would just be a fiasco.
A fiasco.
We could write this down the stairs. Yeah.
Good.
We did very good.
And the hardest part is about to come. Okay, it's gonna go in my seat right now.
This has to work.
Buddy, it's gonna fit.
Huh?
It's gonna fit.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
How do we want to do this? Can we go up?
Oh, like over?
Yeah. Try it.
Oh, I know what we're caught on.
What? The edge of this thingy?
Yeah,
Just cut that off.
I know basically.
Oh, your belt. We're so close. So close, buddy.
Coming as long as we can do it. Buddy, it's gonna fit. Here. Okay, yeah, I just got like an 8.
Try it.
Yeah. Oh, we got it in. Oh, bro. I'm so proud of us. That was seriously like the hardest thing ever, but we did it. We got it in the car.
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
All right. Buddy, I'm so proud of us, and I have so much room. Look at my knee. Okay. Hi. I'm home. And I got this inside. I didn't. 1 second. Camera's on a weird mode. Hi. Better color? Yeah. So I'm home, and I started opening this. Sorry about that. Also, it's black. I thought I was buying a gray one, but it's okay because I like it. So let's work on getting this all unpacked. Okay, the legs are on. Well, right now it's comfy. Aha. Yeah. Check that out. That's not too shabby at all. And look at this. Ah. Hey, that's not too bad. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.